Hi everyone, welcome back to TechLog YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLog, I will be showing you how to download and install AliExpress application. So open a Google Play Store. There on the Play Store search bar, you need to type in AliExpress. Then press enter and then you will have the application on the very top search result. Now you tap on install beside it and wait for the application to be downloaded. So if you are using a iOS device, what you have to do is you need to tap open the App Store, and there you can search for the AliExpress application and download the application for the iOS device. You can see the downloading process being completed. What you need to do is tap on open, and with that you have successfully downloaded and installed the AliExpress application for your mobile device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLog YouTube channel. Thank you.